Case File, the Pelican Purse Investigation. We are reviewing evidence from a recent textile acquisition. The initial assessment suggests a routine procedure, but further observation reveals structural anomalies. Let us begin with the equipment audit. The manifest lists a standard set of archival tools: stitch markers, a safety needle, and acrylic yarn falsely documented as milk cotton. We must note a 0.5 millimeter discrepancy in the primary hardware. A 2.5 millimeter hook was provided in the kit, instead of the specified 2.0. Then, the anomaly: a single glue stick. The prevailing theory is that it requires thermal activation to secure the ocular hardware to the subject. The equipment manifest details further hardware, a zipper, and a metallic ring. The documentation indicates these components are for post-procedure integration. Once attached, the subject is transformed into a functional keychain. An addendum to the case file: attempts to trace the original supplier have failed. As of the time of this broadcast, the requisition order cannot be fulfilled. The physical kit appears to be discontinued. It has vanished from the public record. This artifact is now a closed loop. Accessing the supplementary instructions proved difficult. Initial attempts to scan the provided QR code resulted in dead links. A secondary attempt weeks later accessed the file, but we encountered severe digital decay. The footage was set to private. The visual data was confined to a restricted aspect ratio. It played only within a minimal square on a mobile interface, and the parameters could not be altered. Technical update: the subject appears to be resistant to the audit. Upon activating a screen recording terminal, the QR code performed a successful emergency redirect. We have bypassed the 404 firewall and achieved full-screen visual access. The anomaly is now fully exposed. The archivist's patience is at 2% capacity. The kit's attempts at digital hide-and-seek are noted. This degraded video revealed a fundamental geometric conflict. The written documentation explicitly commands crocheting in rounds. The visual evidence contradicts this, indicating the initial base must be worked in discrete rows. This instructional corruption led to secondary complications. The provided zipper exceeded the designated oral aperture by roughly 1 inch.
Assume the standard compliance posture, folks. VOID-MART just breached your broadcast for this mandatory explainer. Our mission? Providing solutions for problems you literally didn't know you had, using tech you shouldn't understand. Are your wireless devices whispering to you? Yeah, everyday travelers desperately need a secure quarantine space for small gear. Meet the prefabricated biological containment unit. It's legally classified as a portable, fuzzy Temu Pelican Coin Purse. Just look at those unblinking embroidered blue wings and tiny orange feet, constantly watching over your travel storage. Need organized travel storage? You absolutely must secure your items inside this spatially stable, delightfully fuzzy orange biomass. At exactly 19 centimeters in length and 10 centimeters in height, it's mathematically perfect for your next trip. Safely quarantine your earbuds, loose coins, and stray lipsticks right inside this massive, secure orange Pelican bill. That interior zippered vortex keeps all your chaotic little items strictly contained and perfectly organized. It's a game changer. No more loose gear. Plus, this completely stops those pesky wireless earbuds from secretly whispering to you. For total transparency, grabbing this via the description link gives us a microscopic financial commission to exist. Let's be real, this is just a totally normal capitalistic exchange, definitely not a binding cosmic contract, right? We've already seen what you're looking for. So will you finally step into the void with VOID-MART?
A manual override was required. The excess hardware was diverted. structurally stuffed into a small void discovered between the orange and white fibers. Progressing to the white fluffy yarn, the procedure enters a zero visibility sector. Visual confirmation of the stitches is impossible. Tactile navigation is suboptimal. The practitioner must rely entirely on touch and mathematical faith. One must count each maneuver blindly, hoping structural integrity is maintained. We reach the final disposition. The manufacturer designates this kit for beginners. We must override this classification. Due to the severe instructional corruption and the zero visibility conditions, this case is officially reclassified as intermediate. The final subject is, admittedly, cute. It remains fully functional, but the procedure requires advanced mitigation. This concludes our observation. Analog crafts for a digital world.